Okay, so you should have completed the progress check already. One warm up that I just want to touch on here is it's asking to see if the two figure they have the same perimeter. So what is x? Well, perimeter is adding all the sides. So I would say x plus 4 plus 5x plus 1 plus 2x plus 5 is equal to, well, 2 times 2x, right? Rectangle has 2 of those side lengths, plus 2 times x plus 9. And then I can distribute, combine like terms, and solve for x. Your CFA is on Monday. Please make sure you're prepared for it. So we're going to talk about some word problems. A lot of the times for word problems, we're just going to write two slope-intercept equations and set them equal to each other. So some key words that tell you have slope are per, each, and an. And then anything additional or anything that you add on, that's going to be your y-intercept. So for this problem, it says UPS charges $7 for the first pound and 20 cents for each additional pound. FedEx charges $5 for the first pound and 30 cents for each additional pound. How many pounds P will it take for UPS and FedEx to cost the same? Anytime we're asking about something the same, it means we're going to set things equal to each other. So here we see that for UPS, I have the word each is with the 20 cents. So that tells me that 20 cents is being multiplied by x. That's our slope. And then we have to add on our additional charge of 7. So for UPS, the equation I'd be looking at writing is 7 plus 20 cents x, or 20 cents p in this case. Then I'm going to go over to FedEx, and FedEx is 30 cents for each pound, so that's going to be 0.3x. And then we have plus 5. And I said they cost the same, so I set them equal to each other. From here, you could solve, you could subtract, and then you would divide. Bill weighs 120 pounds and is gaining 10 pounds each month. Phil weighs 150 pounds and is gaining 4 pounds each month. How many months M will it take for Bill to weigh the same as Phil? So again, that word each tells me that 10 is going to be multiplied by x. And Phil, the 4 is with the each, so that's going to get multiplied by x. So Bill is 120 plus 10x, and Phil is 150 plus 4x. They want to be the same, so I set them equal to each other. Number 3, a full 355 milliliter can of Coke is leaking at a rate of 5 milliliters per minute into an empty can. How long will it take for the two cans to have the same amount? Okay, if it is leaking, that means it's going to be a negative 5x. So we start for our full can, 355 minus 5 milliliters per minute. So for our empty can, if it's leaking into it, well, so while I lose 5 per minute, I've got to gain 5 per minute from the empty. And because it started at empty, there's no starting point. So it's 0 plus that 5. And then I want them to have the same, so I set them equal to each other. Okay, so the long equation is on the board. I have left the sub with the answer. So if you choose to do the long equation instead of your homework, you must show all work, because if I come by Monday and stamp it and you have no work, it is incorrect. If you use ChatGPT, I will make you do double homework assignments. And if you choose not to do the long equation and just go straight into doing 2.4, that's totally fine. Thank you.